Today, I will present a story about the life of Mars. In the past billion of years ago, Mars used to have a warm atmosphere, and the surface of the star used to cover the sea. The Viking spacecraft that the United States have sent to investigate report back to Earth. That although the atmosphere of Mars will be diluted than the world, but Mars also has gas like Earth, such as carbon dioxide 95% and nitrogen 3% as shown here. Although you to see that Mars that is too much carbon dioxide and too little nitrogen. So if any life could happen on Mars, that life should not take shape like a creature we know. In 1877, G.V. Schiaparelli, Italian astronomer, could see traces of the concussion by meteorite on the Martian surface and have seen many lights across the Martian surface. He imaged that the blue line he saw was the canal coinciding with the French architect Ferdinand de Lesseps. The 150 km long Suez Canal was successfully excavated over 11 years. So people at the time thought the 1,500 km long canal on Mars was definitively the canal that the Eagle dug. In 1965, the United States sent spacecraft called Mariner 4 to explore Mars at altitude of 1,000 km, and the picture has clearly shown that there is no life on Mars. That is not life at all. In the year 1975, the Viking 2 fell from the world and orbit to land on Mars soil. Analysis result on stars show us once again that on trip planet there was no light thing. Mars orbit the Sun at an average distance of 235 million kilometers, which is approximately 1.5 times the distance from Earth to the Sun. So the average temperature of the star will be much colder than the world. During the day, the temperature is about 20 degrees Celsius, but at the night, temperature drop 90 degrees below zero, and due the tilt of the star axis 34 degrees to its orbital plane. Mars therefore has same season as all planets. It has a day lasting 24 hours and 31 minutes, and a year for 687 days. On August 7, the Mackey of the U.S. Aeronautics and Space Administration NASA released a statement in the New York Times. In a meteorite NASA could prove to be a fossil meteorite of microorganisms. The meteorite officially known as ALH 84001. Geologists found it was composed of basalt and phyllocyanite, which exactly the same ratio as the Martian rock. The Viking spacecraft measured 32 years ago. It can be said that meteorites originate from Mars using laser light to prove the claim that the fossils of unicellular animals were found. This was believed from environmental contamination with meteorite, not mass-scale observation. The fossils here are 100 times smaller than the smallest microorganism on Earth, making him unable to see the internal structure or the structure of each cell wall. This conclusion has led other scientists to wonder if life is really unlikely on Mars.
Vocab 1. Spacecraft. Spacecraft is a vehicle to investigate. Investigate is an analyze, consider, inspiring. 3. Creature. Creature is different for the environment. 4. Astronomer. Astronomer is a scientist. 5. Concussion. Concussion is an impact method. 6. Meteorite. Meteorite is to see the space that hit foreign to the Earth. 7. Different. Difference is correct. 8. Approximately. Approximately is a quality. 9. Analytic. Analytic is the process by which an object travels through air. 10. Microorganism. Microorganism is a small organism that cannot be seen with the naked eye.
Hi, it's time question. Question 1. Why was TV temporarily imaging the buried light he saw as a canal? The answer: he has seen floating photos on the Martian surface and has seen many light pass across the Martian surface. Question 2. Mars has an atmosphere that is more developed than Earth and has the same gas as Earth. But why is there no living thing? The answer: there is so much carbon dioxide and too little nitrogen. Question 3. What is the indication that the ALH 84001 meteorite come from Mars? The answer is what found that is what composed of salt and peroxide with the same ratio as the Mars rock measured by the Viking spacecraft. Question 4. What is another reason that could indicate that there is no life on Mars at all? The answer: monocellular fossils are smaller than the smallest microorganisms on the planet and have a temperature of 700 degrees, which is more than any living thing. And the last question: why is it still sending a probe to Mars? The answer: trying to find the life that there is life on Mars or not.
Commenting on the article. In the past, humans have believing there was life on Mars until the present. It considered according to observation, method, and instrument with each use each age. We believe that the Mars environment is the same as our Earth. In imagination, there are life on Mars. When they are in civilization, human develop and advanced technology. Human can observe Mars environment by technology. It's not imagination. The benefit of reading article 1. How is climate at different locations around the earth? 2. How is temperature? 3. What kind of truth is created life developing as human had made imagination depend on the new technology on earth in order to build new technology on Mars? 4. What is the human thinking from the past to the present? Is still the same thinking.